All right, guys, welcome to the mobile platform here. So what's so great about Procore is that it can be used on the desktop, it can be used on your iPad, it can be used on Android, and it can be used on your phone. So this makes it a really comprehensive system, is that when you're at the office, you can jump on your desktop or your laptop, or when you're in the field, you can just bring out your phone. And so that's what's make it a really, really great program. So I just want to go over the basics of what the mobile platform is and how you navigate it. So this is your opening screen. So tap right up here and you can get to all your different projects, and then you can sort them as well. You can also search projects. So we'll stay in Diane's project here. The first thing I want to notice is the home and then the info. So the info does have some really great stuff. It has a project message, so you can click in here, and if there are more information here, this thing would fill out. And then a really cool one is a project location. So here you can just click it and it sends you right to maps. So that's really nice because, so example, I'm 15 hours away if I wanted to get to this project, but you don't know where you're going to the project for the first time, click on this, and if you have service, it'll get you right there. So that's a really great aspect right there. Back to the home screen, this will kind of tell you what is due for you. So example, I have one RFI due, but that's all. So that's pretty good, but it'll tell you punch lists, items, and then observations that are specifically assigned to you for this project. And this is kind of the project overview, schedule, recent photos. So this is kind of the same as the desktop, is where there are recent items down here. So let's jump ahead and go right into the tools. So here, this is kind of all of your tools are in here. And what's nice about this, if you don't like the order of it, just long press, and then you can move things around. So order this around to whatever fits kind of how you use Procore best. So these are all the same tools that are on the desktop. They're just here in the mobile. So the issue is there is some limitations with what you can do on the mobile. Example, in the directory, you can only view people here, and maybe you could call them, but you are not able to add new people to the company. So if you don't remember one of your construction coordinator's phone numbers or your area director, then you can find their contact information here, which is great. Documents tool is really great in that all the same documents, estimates, are all available, and then everything's pretty much here: drawings, inspections, meetings, photos, RFIs, punch list. And so I do go into specifics about each one of these tools. I just wanted to show you how to get to them. Last thing I want to go over is this plus symbol right here. So the plus symbol just allows you to immediately create something, and these three items: take a photo, create an RFI, create punch list item, or create an observation. So this is nice because it's a little bit quicker. You don't have to go tools, photos, take photo. You can just get right to it from that little plus button. So that's just a little bit of a shortcut. Lastly, I want to talk about the settings. So the big things here are the sync. So this is for plans. So this is specific only to Diane's project. So you want to do this to all your projects. And you want to make sure that current drawings only, because if your CC construction coordinator updates the plans, you want to have the current ones, you don't want to have the old ones. And so you want it to automatically update. Second thing here is the storage. I go over photo storage a little bit, but I did want to talk about managed storage. So our phones have limited storage, and there is the ability that Procore can use a lot of that storage. So what you want to do is basically it can have a cache of information, which is good because if you run out of service or you're in an area with limited service, things will still load, or they'll load faster than normal. So if your phone's filling up and you have some projects on here that you don't work on all the time, you can go edit and you can get rid of some of these projects. So these are some projects that I haven't been involved in a while, so I'm just gonna get rid of them, like the woodlands here, and then delete that data. So it's not going to delete anything on the main server. It's just going to delete the stuff that's stored locally on your phone. So now it's done. I did save some space on my phone. So if you're like, ah man, Procore is using too much room, just go in here and only keep the information that's relevant to you. I also talk about the upload queue in my how to upload photos video. So if you're interested in learning about that, go ahead and check that video out as well. Besides that, you can upload photos on Wi-Fi only. I don't do that, but if you have data constrictions, then you'll want to do that. And then photo upload quality, I always go best. And that's pretty much it. The last two things here are change to push notifications. You would want these on so that you're updated to the most current things. And then this is a new one here, pending upload badge. So if you're in an area with poor service, if you were to get back to the church or to an area with service, This will tell you if there are uploads pending. And basically with that, you have to open your app and then those documents will upload. And so that's it, guys. Procore Mobile is really great, and it's a good part of the entire system. You can do a lot from the mobile app, but you can't do everything. So if you're just kind of always in the field, then this is the perfect thing for you. But if you do kind of office work as well, then you'll need to be competent on both.
Thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get updated on all our newest videos. Also, go ahead and click the links below so you can see our social media profiles as well as our website.